Welcome to this tutorial for Minds at UW. This tutorial will offer an overview of the institutional repository and provide step-by-step instructions for depositing research into Minds at UW. Minds at UW is the institutional repository of the University of Wisconsin system. Aligning with the Wisconsin idea, Minds at UW preserves and freely shares research generated by faculty, staff, and graduate students throughout the UW system's 26 campuses. Items include articles, data sets, theses, and many other types of scholarly content, including multimedia. Depositing materials in Minds at UW is a three-step process. First, you must create an account. After registering, you can request permission to access a collection. And finally, you can upload research into Minds at UW. This tutorial will explain each step in detail. To create a Minds at UW account, visit the address on the screen. On the Minds at UW homepage, click Log In the upper right corner of the screen. On the next screen, click Net ID. Select UW-Stevens Point and click Go. Now, enter your UWSP username and password and click Log In. That's it. You've now created an account in Minds at UW. Now that you've registered, you can request permission to deposit research materials in a Minds at UW collection. To gain access to a collection, contact librarian Troy Espy by email or phone. Include your name, college, and department. The librarian will grant access to the appropriate Minds at UW collection. Once you've gained access to a Minds at UW collection, you can upload research. To deposit materials, log into your account at minds.wisconsin.edu. Next, click Submissions under My Account in the right-hand column. Then, click Start a New Submission. To submit an item, select a collection and click Next. Now, enter information about the item. Include as much detail as possible so that your material is discoverable in search engines such as Google Scholar. After you've described your research, you can upload files. Minds at UW accepts virtually any digital format, including PDFs, spreadsheets, images, shapefiles, and audiovisual, up to 2 gigabytes. After you've agreed to the distribution license, complete the submission. You'll then receive a confirmation email with a permanent link to share your research freely with anyone in the world. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have questions, visit this website or contact librarian Troy Espy.